Though the beauty industry seeks to eradicate them, research has shown that having wrinkles can be a positive thing. Researchers from Western University and the University of Miami found that human brains are pre-wired to view people as more sincere if they have wrinkles around their eyes when they smile and frown. People who have the so-called Duchenne marker are viewed as conveying more intense and more sincere emotions. Researchers used a method called visual rivalry and showed study participants photographs of expressions with and without the Duchenne marker to see which expressions are perceived as more important. When different images are shown in each eye, the brain alternates between these two images, but will bring the image that is perceived as more relevant into perceptual awareness more often. The expressions involving the Duchenne marker were always dominant. So if the emotion is more intense, your brain actually prefers to bring it into perceptual awareness for longer time, said principal investigator on the study, Dr. Julio Martinez Trujillo. They also asked people to rate the expressions on a scale for insincerity and sincerity. They found that people ranked the Duchenne smiles and sad expressions as more sincere and more intense. These findings provide evidence of a potential universal language for reading emotions. In other words, a given facial action may have a single rule across multiple facial expressions, especially if that facial action shapes your social interaction, said Noor Malik, Ph.D., first author on the paper. For example, knowing if a stranger's smile is genuine and whether that person can be trusted, warns you whether you should evade or not, Malik said. The authors believe that the study is a step towards understanding why facial expressions contain the actions they do, and how that can help us understand emotion. Since Darwin, scientists have wondered if there is a language of facial expression. This research suggests one key to this language is constriction of the eyes, said Daniel Messinger, Ph.D., professor in the Department of Psychology at the University of Miami. When you have social interactions, you need to perceive whether a person is sincere or not, said Martinez Trujillo, who is also a scientist at Western's Brain and Mind Institute and Robarts Research Institute. So my interest now is, what will be the results if we do this same test with people with autism spectrum disorder? They often have trouble reading out emotions from other people, so we wonder if that might have to do with their ability to read this marker for sincerity.